Hello everyone, it's time for another episode of Outside the Box with me, Nendoroid. This is where we review some of the latest action figures and collectibles in the market. So for today's episode, we will be unboxing and reviewing the adorable Nendoroid 1194 Nezuko Kamado from the hit anime Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. Before we begin, I would like to thank KG Figure for sending this Nendoroid Nezuko to me. If you're looking for Nendoroids and other action figures, please check out KG Figure's online shop for more of their amazing products. This Nendoroid is highly anticipated because of the popularity of the anime and manga of this series. Now, just like what I've mentioned in my Tanjiro review video, if you haven't seen Kimetsu no Yaiba, you are missing a lot. Demon Slayer is one of the most popular series released so far. Now let's first look at the box. The box, just like any other Nendoroid box, has this white layout at the front with the image of Nezuko. It has the logo of Good Smile Company and from which anime series this figure is from. And this is also where you can find the Nendoroid number. The front has this big window to get a proper view of the items inside. The side and back panel of the box has this pink background pattern with some stylized images of Nendoroid Nezuko and several other informations in Nihongo that we basically all ignore. So let's not keep you all waiting, it's time to bring Nendoroid Nezuko outside the box. Okay, so here is the adorable Nendoroid Nezuko. She looks extra kawaii and for me, one of the cutest Nendoroids I have seen. I think she is just perfect in Nendoroid form. The Nendoroid 1194 Nezuko Kamado is made of painted ABS and PVC. The Nendoroid size is approximately 4 inches in height, and this is an action figure from Good Smile Company and is only recommended to ages 15 and up. This retails about 5,273 yen, somewhere 2,000 to 2,500 pesos before tax. Now let's look at all the parts included in this package. So you have the adorable Nendoroid action figure, along with an instruction manual on how you can attach some of the extra parts that is included in this item. She also comes with 2 face plates including her standard expression and a ghastly demon face. It would have been nice if we get a sleeping face plate because, you know, Nezuko sleeps a lot. The other parts included are her box that Tanjiro carries on his back as an optional part, a crawling or sitting body part, a more open lower kimono, extra legs, extra arms, and hands. And of course, there is the plastic stand from Good Smile Company, which is oddly, the stand of this Nendoroid is slightly bigger compared to the other previously released Nendoroids. Now for the articulation. There's really not much range in terms of articulation with Nendoroids. All you can basically do is tilt the head a little forward, back, and sideward. Same goes for the arms and hands. You can move her arms forward, swivel her hands, and that's about it. Her hair sort of gets in the way when you move her hands. Now for the torso, you can barely swivel her waist. For the legs, you can slightly push it forward. The kimono gets in the way though when you try to move her legs. That is why you have the additional lower kimono part so that you can recreate her powerful punching and kicking poses in Nendoroid form. Her coat has a hinge which can give you an extra little articulation. Now as for the facial expressions, you can easily interchange face plates to change her facial expression. First, remove the front part of her hair, then remove her mouthpiece, and then you can now remove the face plate and change it with the expression that you want. And just by mixing other parts of her arms and legs, you can create other cool poses for Nendoroid Nezuko. The verdict. Okay, my verdict is overall I love this Nendoroid because Nezuko is really cute, especially in Nendoroid form. Of course, as expected from a Nendoroid, there are a lot of limitations in terms of articulation, but that won't prevent you from still fully enjoying this adorable figure. This Nendoroid perfectly captures the art style of Demon Slayer with the paint details and amazing sculpting. Now, if you're a fan of this series, this should definitely be part of your collection. For me, this Nendoroid has limited expressions and Good Smile Company could have added more. This will look good with the Tanjiro Nendoroid and other Demon Slayer characters which I'm excited for Good Smile Company to release soon. That's it for now, and thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was able to help you decide if you're thinking of getting this Nendoroid. What do you think of this action figure? Do you like it? Are you a fan of Demon Slayer? Do you agree with me in my review? Also, if you have any other requests or suggestion on which figure I should review next, let me know by typing your comments and opinions down below in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a subscriber of my channel and you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you will continue to support me and watch my other videos. That's it for now. Always remember to be safe, be kind, and be awesome. Jamata. Bye-bye.